The purpose of this lesson is to clarify the common misconception that the value or magnitude of a fraction increases when the denominator increases, in the same way that it does when counting natural numbers. So we're going to use some concrete materials to show why this misconception is false. So I'm going to take my orange Unifix cubes here and I'm going to count out 3. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to write that number on the board. Now I'm going to take my green Unifix cubes and count out 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we'll write that one on the board too. Now, as we know, and as we can see here, 3 is less than 4. And another way of writing that mathematically is with this symbol. So 3 is less than 4. Now, how does that look when it comes to fractions? So I'm going to look at my fraction cakes here. Now, in this fraction cake, I want to cut it into 3 equal pieces. 1, 2, 3. Now, if I take one of those equal pieces, I have 1 out of 3, or 1/3. Now, if I take my green fraction cake, I want to cut that into 4 equal pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I take one of those equal pieces, I have 1 out of 4, which we write like this. So I have 1 equal piece out of my 4, which equals 1/4 or 1/4. Now, if we take our 1 equal pieces, we can see here 1/3 is actually greater than 1/4. And we write that like this. 1/3 is greater than 1/4 or 1/4. So what we have to realize is that when we're using our natural counting numbers, 3 is less than 4. However, in our fractions, when our denominator or our bottom number is smaller than it equals a greater amount. So 1/3, as we saw with our fraction cakes, is actually greater than 1/4.